welcome back to Setta's Lane. In today's video, I am bringing to you my kitchen. I am going to clean the oven and do some surface cleaning and just get this mess all together. So if you like content like this, please don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to Setta's Lane, because over here you are more than welcome. Alright, hope you enjoy, and I'll pop in with you later. Okay, Setta's here again. Just want to stop in and ask you how you are doing. I hope you are doing well. I hope everything is working in your favor. As for me and my family, we are doing awesome. And if you don't know, I am a mother to 5 beautiful kids and a wife to 1 husband. I am a stay-at-home mom. I tried working this past 2 months. That's why I've been a little bit MIA from recording my videos. But I just noticed that my family needed me more at home. So here I am bringing you back new videos. I'm trying to be consistent and do what I love to do, which is working in my household and making sure my family is good and taken care of and well loved. So yeah, again, thank you for stopping in. Let me know down in the comments where you're watching from and if you enjoyed today's video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and be quiet, and I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Hey, Setta's here, just popping in. I hope you are enjoying the video thus far. If so, please go ahead and put me some pink hearts down in the comments. Let me know that you still following and hanging with your girl at Setta's Lane. Alright, I'll talk to y'all in a minute.